slate, please.
Hi, my name is Christina Tasker and I'm 17 years old.
Hi, this is Virginia Bright.
And, alright ladies, could you stand a little bit closer together? And, alright guys, here we are, we're ready for take, and action.
Hey.
How did it go?
It was really good, look.
Oh my god. So how do you break him that you don't cook?
I'm not that bad.
Yeah, right. How do you break it that you don't cook?
Well, I got some fried
yeah.
chicken and some mashed potatoes and look.
You have changed.
I'm just a wizard in the kitchen.
Yeah, right. So, come on, can I have your recipe then?
Well, I had some help from a girl.
I knew it. I knew